Welcome back. Having identified in the previous videos the information you should include in your thesis introduction, as well as the preferred order in which this information should appear, let's now move on to look at a model for organizing this information. Although focusing on the right information and putting it into the right order will improve your introduction, it is not enough. What is still needed is a rhetorical structure. Rhetorics is the art of using language to convince or persuade. So, how can we structure the introduction to convince your readers that your aim is justified? In the early 1990s, the CARS model was proposed by John Swells in the UK for describing the organization of introductions in research articles. Swells's model divides the introduction into 3 moves, each of which can be realized through various steps. Since then, the CARS model has been adapted to most scientific fields and has become the standard method for structuring introductions in research articles. More recently, in 2018, Ka and Tan proposed an adapted CARS model for engineering research articles based on the problem-solution pattern. However, no model has yet been developed for engineering master's theses. Using the CARS model as a starting point and emphasizing a problem-solution approach, our materials have adapted the CARS model to include a 4th move that reflects the nature of engineering in seeking new solutions to problems. I call this 4th move proposing a new approach. Let's now take a look at the model for structuring the introduction chapter in an engineering master's thesis. I call this model Master's Introduction Chapters in Engineering, or by its acronym, MICE. Yeah, I know it sounds cheesy, but I bet you'll remember it because of its weird name. The proposed model consists of 4 moves. Move 1, current situation, answers the question, what is the wider context of the present situation? Move 2, problems, answers the question, what is wrong or missing from current solutions? Move 3, proposing a new approach, our new move, will answer the question, what new strategy could solve this problem? Now, this 3rd move is not compulsory. Nevertheless, you are likely to include this move if the aim of your thesis is to evaluate the feasibility of using some approach or technology that has never been implemented in your own context, and you just want to determine whether it will work. The final move, move 4, your solution, describes how your own thesis will overcome this problem. In the MICE model, each of the 4 moves consists of 2 or more strategies, which we will call steps for realizing the move. Move 1 is comprised of 3 steps. Moves 2 and 3 of 2 steps, while move 4 can have as many as 5 steps. Generally, although these steps tend to occur in this order, not all of the steps need to be put into your introduction, and many can be repeated more than once in the introduction. Basically, think of this model as a checklist or menu to guide you in selecting and ordering suitable topics for creating your introduction chapter. For example, in Move 2, many introductions can use either Step 1, indicating weaknesses, or Step 2, identifying a gap, or in some cases, the writer might wish to include both steps. Similarly, in Move 4, Steps 3 and 4 have been marked as optional. In the case of Step 3, Thesis Scope, not all theses require defining what aspects of the topic will or will not be included in the thesis, whereas Step 4, describing the main outcome, is often used in some fields of mechanical engineering when the aim of the thesis is to develop a solution. Therefore, these two steps are shown as optional in the model. So, in this video, you've seen that the mice model is composed of 4 moves, with each move consisting of 2 or more steps. Next, go on to view the following videos to find out more about the steps comprising each move, as well as the specific language for expressing each step. See you in the next video. Bye.